955 ishladik. Va birinchi o'rin ko'rishingiz mumkin 3721 bilan biz birinchi o'ringa ko'tarilib oldik. Endi xato qilmasak bo'ldi. Birinchi o'ringa tushib ketmaymiz. Hop, he would go. Conditional present, past progressive, future progressive, past perfect. Conditional present. He would go, u borgan bo'lardi. Keyingisi he will be going. Ya'ni future progressive bo'ladi bu. Ya'ni future continuous, kelasi davomli zamon. Bizda hali ham oldindamiz. 300 ochko bor. Ikkinchi o'rin bilan had he gone. The present perfect. Had he gone. Bu past perfect. To'g'ri. Had. Have ni o'tgan zamon shakli. Bizda hali ham oldindamiz. Wasn't he going? Past progressive. Past progressive bo'ladi. Yaxshi.